with another FabFitFun. This is a summer box.
That's like my hat for the summer, right?
Oh yeah, for the summer.
As long as you like it, it's cool.
Yeah, it's so cute. So I'm so excited to open it because it's been sitting here for a few days now.
Yeah, we just got this.
Yeah, for a few days. And if you guys don't remember me telling you guys, this is seasonal, so it's spring, summer, winter, and autumn. Wait, I didn't even say that in order. But you guys get it. And it is $49.99, so every 3 months. And it comes with this FabFitFun, and this one is Eva Longoria. She's so pretty. Do you deserve some summer fun? Of course I do. I'm gifting you $10 off your first FabFitFun box. That's $200 worth of presents to yourself for just $39.99. So if you guys want the code, let me know.
First thing we have is this. Boom.
This is Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. And it's a big bottle.
I know what this is for. This is to spray the roses outside in the front yard?
Yeah, it's for the roses.
It says
Not
right
for
here,
your face, it's for the roses.
Spray the rose.
No, don't spray it, don't spray it, don't spray it. Do not spray it, don't spray it.
Why? I was gonna
Because
spray. I was gonna spray the rose.
Babe, I wanna smell
You're not
it
a
first.
rose no more.
Oh, then what am I?
Oh, man.
A weed?
Jeez.
It's really strong.
Let me see.
I don't know if I can handle smelling that all day.
Ah! It's pretty good. It's not even strong at all. I think that's handleable. Next.
Handleable? That's handleable?
That's handleable. Next, we have this Living Proof Nourishing Style Cream. Do you see that? Another thing. Doesn't get you excited?
Yeah, everything gets me excited.
Jeez, let me see. What is this?
Oh, I think that's for your hair when you blow dry it. I think. Let me see. Or conditioner.
Something came out.
Do not put it on my hair.
Well,
Do
that's
not
what
put
you
it
said
on my
what
hair.
it's for.
Stops frizz and lightly conditions. So you put this on. Like creams like this, I usually wash my hair and then I put it when it's dry and then let it air dry and then it like becomes all wavy and cute.
All right. Well, next we have
that
this.
smells so good.
Next we have this Intelligent Nutrients. Intelligent Nutrients.
Okay.
Just so you guys know, all of this stuff is going to be in the description below. So just go to the description below if you're interested in any of this kind of stuff. Next, we have this Generation Clay. Generation Clay. You know, there's Generation X, Generation Millennials, Generation something else. This is Generation Clay. It's brightening purple clay mark. So this is like that bed purple that you guys seen in the YouTube commercials. You could.
You can continue talking.
Well, I can't read nothing no more. And it's clay. It's a clay mask.
Yay.
Next, we have Wish
I can't see.
exfoliating foot mask. What? So there's a face mask and there's a foot mask?
Yeah. There's
She
a
got
body
ugly
mask.
feet. Have you guys ever seen her feet? Oh my god, look. I'm just kidding, no pretty feet.
You're so rude. Just because my feet are chubby.
You can't even see your fingernails. Did I say that?
What?
Did I say that out loud?
Let's.
Oh, okay, so we're gonna
Oh
see.
no, my.
Boom.
God.
Come on. Next, we have Invisible.
Invisible.
Invisible? Invisible.
Invisible. Yeah.
So what the heck is this? It says the bracelets hair ring original. These are just
It's so it won't damage your hair when you put it on,
you sell that stuff.
and people buy it.
Next we have this thing. It's called What a Pair. Set of
Show me,
two
show me, show me,
silicone
show me.
wine glasses. Wine
Oh
glasses.
yes.
What?
I saw some at the gift shop where we're at, and I was like, oh, should I get them? Should I not? Because they're perfect for the pool. Is it Alfonso proof?
Bang!
Oh my god, I'm so in love. See, one for me, one for you,
You're right. Cheers.
dude. Cheers.
But what's the point of this?
It's so you can have it in the pool side and it won't break.
Oh my god. It doesn't have nothing on it except for a dome on the back.
But it's for when you go to the beach, when you're by the pool, you just serve yourself some wine, and then you're not worried about breaking glass.
Dome! I look like
Homer.
I look like Homer Simpson right here. Dome!
Vicks Polar Harmony.
Oh my god.
Oh, a towel.
You put this whenever you have a fever, you put it on your body like Vicks
Vicks
Vapor Rub, right? It
Who
doesn't smell like
uses Vapor Rub? I use it for everything.
Oh, it's VIX, not VICK. Vicks.
Oh my gosh, look. I wanted to order one so bad. Thank goodness I didn't. This is so cute. Look. Look, feel it. Pull it.
It feels like a towel.
But it's round. Look at how cute.
That's kind of cool, I guess.
It is cute.
Oh,
I can't wait.
The only thing cute around here is
Me.
my hat.
My hat.
My Indiana Jones hat.
Okay, last but not least. Dun 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 dun!
Oh, bag. You have all kinds of bags.
I do have a lot of bags.
Okay, so this is a recap of the FabFitFunFixer.
The items that are in the box.
Yeah, the items
how much they
that are in the FabFitFuxter. Is that what it's called?
No.
FabFitFunFix. FabFitFun. FabFitFun. Got it. Boom. So the prices are, first thing we have is the Vicks Paula Hermione Lotus Towel right here. Guess how much do you think this costs? Well, I'm gonna tell you right now. It's $50 for this towel. It's incredibly expensive.
But it's cute.
But I don't think anybody really buys that. Next, we have the Summer Rose Diamond Tote. That tote, it says that it's another $50, which I don't really know how much these totes cost, but it's expensive to me. Pretty sure I can get this.
You could probably DIY this.
Yeah, actually you can do this. It's made out of plastic and paper. Look.
No?
Okay, it's
Don't
not
rip
that.
it.
Next, we have the silicone cups right here.
Do they smell like silicone?
They smell like silicone. Let me see.
Oh, how did I know? How did I know you were gonna do that?
Feel it. Next, we have the Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Cream or whatever. Says that's $28.
I'm gonna really enjoy this. I know I am.
I don't even know what it does.
It's to keep your hair from frizzing. Oh my god, I know this.
The next thing we have is the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. That says it's
$57.
$57.
Next is the Invisibobble Original Dual Pack, and that's $16 for 6 hair ties.
I seen these like at the 99-cent store all the time.
They do sell them at the 99cent store.
What the heck?
They do.
Next we have what?
The next one is Generation Clay Ultra Violet Brightening Purple Clay Mask, and this is $39.
I'm gonna wear this tonight. See what happens. What is it for?
It is to brighten up your skin.
Oh, well, my face is pretty bright because I'm always smiling.
And then the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray is $25.95. I actually wanted to do a DIY with this because we do have we have roses outside, and you could actually do a DIY. So if you guys want to see me try doing a DIY rose spray, let me know. Wish exfoliating foot mask, and that is $32 for your feet. The total is $320. $122.95.
Dang. How much you paid for this?
$49.99. So minus 50. We got total worth $272.
Ladies and gentlemen out there, do you really think this is a deal? I don't know if it's a deal. I don't know if it's a deal.
I mean, is it all necessary?
It's not.
No.
It's not necessary. You don't need this.
Okay, so we have a lot of new subscribers, so welcome to our channel.
Thank you very
for
much.
Subscribing.
And we're gonna do another giveaway as soon as possible because you guys like free stuff, and who doesn't like free stuff? So.
I like free stuff.
So we're gonna get another giveaway. We're gonna start setting up the stuff that she's not gonna use from the boxing charm, and we'll start giving it away.
This
again.
might be on the next giveaway because I haven't sprayed it. We just smelled it, and I feel like it's too.
Hey guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe up here
All right.
Yeah,
and watch this video right here and this video right here.
Bye.